guys, welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Nice to see you guys again. Today what I'm going to show you guys is our wine and cheese 6-piece set. Before I introduce this product, I want to ask you guys, do you love wine and cheese? If you do so, this product is your must-have item. As you can see, this tool set comes with a bottle-shaped glass cutting board. It can fit the gift box perfectly, and you can cut your cheese on it. It can also be a perfect and a perfect gift for weddings, housewarming, anniversary, and more. Don't miss such an amazing item.